Hey there, today we're diving into Testosterone Replacement Therapy, or TRT. Let's break down this life-changing treatment. What is TRT? Testosterone Replacement Therapy is a medical treatment designed for men whose bodies don't produce enough testosterone naturally. It works by supplementing the body's testosterone levels to bring them back to a normal range. How does it work? TRT comes in various forms: gels, patches, injections, or implanted pellets. It helps alleviate symptoms like decreased libido, fatigue, and reduced muscle mass. Treatment is tailored to each individual's needs. Regular blood tests and checkups are crucial for monitoring. Some may experience side effects, which can often be managed with a dose adjustment. Benefits and considerations. While TRT can be highly effective, it's important to work closely with a healthcare provider to ensure safe and appropriate use. Potential risks and benefits should be carefully weighed. Understanding TRT could be your first step towards improved well-being. For more health insights, visit esurgery.com. Take care.